Hi guys, welcome to your Unit 2 video quiz. Let's get rolling. Your first sound is eh. Echo, eh. If you chose E, you've got it right. Your next sound is I. Echo, I. That's the short vowel sound for I. Your next sound is qu. Echo, qu. Q-U. And your last sound is olt. Echo, olt. Okay, very nice. Your first word is cloth. Echo, cloth. The word cloth, the CL is blending together to say cl. The O is saying the short O sound, aw. And then we have the TH, two letters that make one sound. Put it together, cloth. Your next word is shred. Echo, shred. Shred. Here we have sure. This is actually an example of our digraph blend. Which is the short sound for E, and D. Shred. Your next word is brisk. Echo, brisk. Here we have the word brisk. I'd like to ask you at this time, what two letters are blending together in the beginning of the word brisk? B-R, burr. They're the two letters that are blending together in the beginning of the word brisk. Your next word is scold. Echo, scold. Here's the word scold. The SC are blending together in the beginning of the word scold. And then the O, if you listen, remember, it is making that long O sound. This would be an example of a closed syllable exception. Your next word is bind. Echo, bind. B-I-N-D spells bind. Remember, it's always important to echo the words because you need to be able to feel the position of your lips, teeth, and tongue. So now it's time for nonsense words. Even more important that you are echoing the words so that you can feel the position of your lips, teeth, and tongue. It really does help with your accuracy, which means getting it right. Okay, here we go. Vesp. Echo, vesp. Here's the word vesp. Also, don't forget to be using your tapping out the sounds. So it would be like this. V-E-S-P. Vesp. Your next nonsense word, strib. Echo, strib. Strib. This one had a three-letter blend in the beginning, that stir sound, okay? All right. Your next nonsense word is voast. Echo, voast. Voast. V-oast, voast. Gremp. Echo, gremp. Gremp. G-R is blending, gur, and then we have the M-P, mp. The E is making the sound. Is that a short vowel sound, or is that a long vowel sound? Is the short vowel sound for E. E, ed, eh. Your next word is tressed. Echo, tressed. Tressed. We've got the TR blending, tur. We've got the ST blending, and we've got the eh. So, tressed. Your next word is hiled. Echo, hiled. Hiled. Iled, hiled. Here come your phrases. Remember, you are not going to capitalize phrases and you are not going to put punctuation at the end. They are not complete sentences. Bolt your strap. Echo, bolt your strap. Bolt your strap. Take a look at the word bolt. Is bolt a closed syllable or a closed syllable exception? Bolt is a closed syllable exception. Remember, it is breaking one rule. It has one long vowel. It has one syllable or one chin drop, bolt, and it's our closed syllable exception. Take a look at strap. Is strap a closed syllable or a closed syllable exception? Strap. It has a short A, so it is going to be our closed syllable. So remember, we have a short A, we have one syllable, which is one chin drop, strap, and it's going to be our closed syllable. Find that snack. Echo, find that snack. Find that snack. I want you to write down which word is a closed syllable. You had two to choose from here. You could have picked that, or you could have picked snack. They both have short vowels. They both have consonants after the vowel. They both have one syllable, and they are both closed syllables. All right. Guys, you're almost done. Here comes your sentence. You must find that post. Echo, you must find that post. All right, very nice. Here it is. You must find that post. What type of syllable is must? A closed syllable or a closed syllable exception? It is a closed syllable. Remember, closed syllables have one short vowel, consonants after that vowel, one syllable, which means one chin drop, must, and it is a closed syllable. What kind of syllable is find? A closed syllable or a closed syllable exception? It has a long vowel, find. It's saying I. So because of that long vowel, it is a closed syllable exception. What type of syllable is that? That has a short A, It is a closed syllable. One more. Ooh, let's see if we have another color. There it is. Post. What type of syllable is post? A closed syllable or a closed syllable exception? It is a closed syllable exception because it has a long vowel O. Remember, when the vowels are long, they are saying their names. Guys, excellent job again. Thank you so hard for working so hard to finish your video quiz, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your Wednesday. See you later.